Bayti Real Estate is delighted to present this ready-to-move-in warehouse space located in Dubai Investment Park 2. At 4,306 square foot, this warehouse is ideal for storage only. With 8-metre high ceilings to accommodate racking systems, this is perfect if you require any extra storage space for your business. The additional office space provides room for administrative tasks, and the attached pantry and toilet provides all the amenities required for employees. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.